Today, we're taking a deep dive into ADT Smart Home, one of the most well-known names in the home security and automation industry. If you're considering upgrading your home security with a smart system, you're probably wondering whether ADT is worth the investment. I'll guide you through everything you need to know: features, usability, pricing, and whether the service truly delivers on its promises. Let's start with the basics. ADT Smart Home offers a wide range of security solutions, including smart alarms, cameras, and automation features. Their system integrates with other smart devices, allowing you to control locks, lights, and thermostats from a single app. That's convenient, but the question is, how seamless is the experience? Setting up ADT is relatively straightforward, but it does require professional installation. This could be a downside for users who prefer a DIY approach. The installation process ensures that everything is properly configured, but it also adds to the overall cost. Compared to some competitors, like Ring or Simply Safe, which allow for self-installation, this might be a drawback. Once installed, the system is easy to use. The ADT mobile app allows you to monitor security footage, receive alerts, and even arm or disarm your system remotely. However, there have been complaints about the app being slow or unresponsive at times. If you're relying on real-time updates, a laggy app can be frustrating. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about pricing. ADT's plans can be expensive compared to other smart security options. While the service offers 24/7 monitoring, cloud storage for security footage, and professional support, it comes at a premium price. Some users have reported unexpected fees or long-term contract commitments, which might not be ideal if you're looking for a flexible security solution. In terms of smart home integration, ADT works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice control. It also supports Z-Wave devices, meaning you can connect it with a range of third-party smart home products. However, some users have found compatibility to be inconsistent. Certain devices may require additional hubs or adapters, which can be an inconvenience. A major advantage of ADT is its reliability. Unlike many DIY security systems, ADT offers professional monitoring, which means authorities are alerted automatically if there's a security breach. This provides an extra layer of protection that many users appreciate. On the downside, if you experience false alarms, you could be hit with fees from local law enforcement, which is something to keep in mind. Customer service reviews for ADT are mixed. Some users praise their responsive support team, while others have reported long wait times and difficulties with contract cancellations. If you ever need to make changes to your service, be prepared for potential hurdles. Overall, ADT Smart Home is a solid choice for homeowners looking for a professionally monitored security system with automation features. However, it comes at a higher price point and may not be the best option for those seeking a flexible or DIY-friendly setup. If cost isn't a concern and you prioritize reliability and professional monitoring, ADT is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on smart home tech.